I have a review of the Serta 4-drawer dresser, you guys. I've had this for years and I love it. I do have the gray one, but they also have the black and I believe the espresso. So I went with gray because all my theme is gray for my baby's room, and you guys definitely recommend it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. It does have those 2 drawers at the very, very top. You guys, it fits a lot of stuff. I have a lot of the kids' clothing in there, a bunch of, socks, all that good stuff, shirts. I got this all packed to the rim over here, and then same thing with the bottom. You guys, this fits a lot of clothing. We have 2 kids clothing actually in there, and I definitely recommend that because it holds a lot of stuff and I love the way it looks. It does not come with this changing top right here, and it does also not come with the mattress or the mattress cover. That is a little bit extra, but I recommend that if you guys have a newborn or you're going to be expecting a newborn or have a very little guy. If you guys have a little girl or guy, it's going to be perfect. That way you could just change them on top. But you guys, this is definitely worth every single penny, you guys. I love it, and I've been using it for years, like I said.